Hi and welcome to this demonstration of LMS365, the learning management system in the cloud or on premises for Office 365 and SharePoint. This demonstration is provided by Immersion Technology Services and eLearning Force. In the next 30 minutes, I will be showcasing the high-level features and functionalities that LMS365 delivers within your existing Office 365 tenant. I will go over the available functions and features to demonstrate the engaging end-user learning experience as well as the various reporting and tracking capabilities. Let's first get the customary background information out of the way. As I mentioned, this presentation is provided by eLearning Force and Immersion Technology Services. eLearning Force is a publisher of the software. Since 2003, eLearning Force and its partners have provided LMS solutions for more than 4 million end users around the world. We, Immersion Technology Services, are the go-to partner in North America and Canada. As a management and technology consulting firm, we provide IT transformation services and learning management services to our clients. We are a certified Microsoft Gold partner and a strategic partner for eLearning Force, providing architectural design, implementation, support, and custom development services. Before we continue, here's just a little more about me, Thomas, and who I represent. I'm the Director for Knowledge and Collaboration here at Immersion Technology Services. Why do we need a learning management system? A LMS is an important piece of the puzzle, enabling the company to be successful, effective, and competitive. It provides the necessary tools to manage, track, and report knowledge and skills throughout the workforce and even partners and customers. An LMS reduces the impact of employee attrition and knowledge drain, fits into an onboarding process to get your new employee accustomed to company strategy and processes, and of course comes in handy for compliance and regulatory demands. So who needs and benefits from an LMS? I would say everybody, every business, every institution, every organization. Now, what is LMS365? LMS365 is a full-featured learning management system, 100% integrated and based on Microsoft technology, enabling you to leverage the Microsoft platforms, SharePoint and Office 365 you already invested in. It enables you to create, deliver and track courses based on virtually any type of content, including your e-learning standards such as SCORM. LMS365 allows you to build custom learning modules and quizzes to deploy virtually any type of training to any global workforce within minutes. Finally, LMS365 provides advanced learning analytics through the intuitive and easy-to-use tracking and reporting capabilities. As mentioned in the previous slide, LMS365 can be deployed on premises for your SharePoint server or in the cloud, exclusively available on Office 365 as a software as a service. With the capabilities, LMS365 can support any cloud strategy. This presentation is going to focus on features and functionalities of our cloud offering, LMS365 Cloud. LMS365 Cloud comes with a rich feature and functionality set. The different add-ins are bundled and available on the App Store to provide administrators, course creators, and learners with an easy-to-use tool delivering a modern, integrated learning framework. In the next few slides, I will go and explain the different modules in more detail. You may ask, how complicated is it? The answer is, it is easy. If you are used to work on Office 365 today, using the features and functions of the platform, you will feel right at home. Simply grab the web parts required and place them on your site. You can get ready in minutes, no kidding, providing your workforce with courses, course catalogs, and many more features. Creating a course, for example, is easy. You can integrate coursework in existing sites. Say you have a site for a product team and would like to test the knowledge of team members. Add web parts, add content, and let's get going. Wanting to apply training to your users on an organizational level? No problem. And even a company-wide training portal can be created, where learners can come and find training, enroll to courses, find their course details, certificates, and even a leaderboard. Combine that with any tools available in Office 365, you have all and every features available you can imagine to create an engaging, fun and providing learning environment. The course catalog gives learners an efficient, dynamic way to find the education that's most relevant to their needs. Display a list of all courses or allow learners to search by category. Identify required courses and due dates. Show learners which courses they are already taking. Let SharePoint security determine which courses learners can see. One click is all it takes to enroll in or unenroll from a course. Course administrators are automatically notified as learners come and go. The next 4 modules are tools to make the learning experience so much better. The Learning Module Builder allows you to deliver efficient, multi-step learning to your users. The Quiz Builder provides you with abilities to create testing questions to check on the learning progress. Let me go into the first 2 modules a bit deeper. The Learning Module Builder lets you combine quizzes, SCORM training, and any SharePoint content into a predefined learning module with sequenced learning steps. Learners move to the next step only after they have completed the last, ensuring gap-free training and allowing them to see where they are in the overall learning process. There is no better way to expose learners to new concepts in the most efficient order, and to ensure learners don't get confused or lost along the way. The Quiz Builder creates attractive, easy-to-use quizzes that let learners test and demonstrate their knowledge. Place each quiz on its own dedicated homepage, embed it next to relevant content on any SharePoint page or include it in any LMS365 course. Build quizzes with 3 different question types and add them as standalone modules to your course or include this quiz in any Office 365 learning module. Access advanced reporting for full tracking or result based on learners or quizzes. Reports can be exported to Excel and easily shared with HR, managers, etc. The last 2 modules here are the Assignment Manager and the SCORM Player. The Assignment Manager is used to create single or multiple assignments and assign them to individuals, groups, or the class. Control assignment visibility by setting open, due, and close dates. Define grading scales, grading periods, and languages as needed. Provide learners with a master list of assignments and due dates from all open training sessions. Learners need to only open, complete, comment, and submit their assignments using Office 365 authoring tools. No email, document posting, or time-consuming uploading and downloading are required. The Gradebook allows you to give detailed feedback, calculate overall performance in complex courses, and track learner performance over time. The SCORM Player lets you add SCORM-based training to any desired SharePoint page in any application or publication. Just point the SCORM Player to a SCORM 1.2 or 2004 package and your training is available globally and secured by Office 365. Need to deliver a richer training experience? Remember the course creator I mentioned earlier to turn any SCORM package into a full-blown formalized course with enrollment and social networking features. Here are the last 3 modules I want to bring up today. Yes, a live demo is coming right after this, and I promise. Just need to give you a full overview of the solutions. Let me talk about the training dashboard and reporting in a second, and I will start with my learning instead. This feature helps learners stay on top of their training efforts, display progress for each open training session, allow learners to resume any training session with a click, on any device and from any application. The training dashboard. Get an instant, personalized overview of training. Create a friendly yet competitive learning environment where your learners will be motivated by receiving the recognition and rewards they desire. Show courses learners are taking, courses in progress, courses completed, continuing education points, certificates obtained, and a leaderboard ranking up to top 10 learners. And last but not least, administration and reporting. View learners' performance statistics for each SCORM package. Summarize learner performance statistics across SCORM packages. View SCORM packages access, learner access, and storage statistics. Generate various learning reports above and beyond SCORM. We come to our live demonstration. I would like to show you the learning experience and some of the capabilities in regards to tracking and reporting. Here we are at the Immersion Technology Services LMS365 homepage. I promised you an end learner experience, so I decided to create an LMS homepage which displays, for example, my dashboard. In my dashboard I can see the courses I am already enrolled in. I can see courses which are in progress. I can see courses which are completed. I can see my certificates. I can see my continued education points. And I can see my leaderboard. In my dashboard it's very simple to go and start my learning. I can go to the course. I can as well continue a training which I already started. Let's go first to the course catalog. The course catalog shows me all available courses. I can look into courses which I'm enrolled in already. I can look at required courses, optional courses, or courses I completed already. For courses which I completed already, I can access as well my certificate. Going back to all available courses, I can now filter all courses based on the course category. Let's say I'm choosing technical training. There are two trainings available, Intro to LMS365 and Office 365 Training. I can see a description of my course. I can as well read more about the course. And I can see details like course ID, duration, category, type, and CEUs. So let's enroll to this course. I click on Enroll, and the system will enroll me automatically. Once done, I can go from here directly to the course, or I can go straight to the dashboard and start my course from there. We arrived at our Office 365 training site. Here we have a welcome message. We talk about what is Office 365, what will you be learning in this course, and what are the course completion requirements. Down below, we see our learning modules consistent out of two items, the overview of Office 365 and the LMS 365 training module. Down below here, we see the assignments related to our training. On the right side, I added a picture, but it could be as well a video. I have a document library, and I have, for example, my calendar. Now, let's get started with our learning activities. Click on Start. I started this training already, so going back, it will start where I stopped. I have access to the table of content, so at any point in time I can see what is part of my learning module. Once I click on it, I can see we have 4 items as part of this module. The Office 365 Fundamentals, which is actually a video, the 365 Fundamentals, which is a PowerPoint presentation, a confirmation action, and an Office 365 Fundamental quiz. Okay, let's go ahead. Here I can see my progress, I can exit and pause, and I can click on Next to go to the next item in my table of content. The second part was the 365 Fundamentals PowerPoint presentation. This is displayed in the Office web apps. Once I look through all these slides, I can in fact go and hit the Next button, where the system is now asking me for confirmation. I confirm that I read and understood the presented material. Otherwise, if I don't do that, I can't continue. The system will lead me to the next item, which is actually the quiz. Very simple questions, as I mentioned before. We have 3 question types. Office 365 refers to a subscription plan that includes access to Office applications plus other productivity services that are enabled over the internet. Is this true or false? Of course, that should be true. What applications and services are included in your subscription of Office 365? Well, Xbox Live, no. Groove Music, no. Word, yes. Outlook, Skype for Business, Excel, and PowerPoint. All right, let's submit that. And which of the following is not a plan type offered for Office 365? Enterprise E3, Enterprise E5, E1, Pro Plus. That all sounds good. This one here sounds suspicious. Microsoft Office 365 Vista Zoom 2019. No. Let's submit the results. And congratulations, this is our message. You passed Office 365 Fundamentals Quiz. Your score is 3 points, 100%. The passing score was 2.66%. Okay, let's move on. Perfect. Going back to our home page, I now can see that I finished my learning module number 1. Now let's get to the Office 365 training module, and I personally know that this is a SCORM package. So I click on Start. My SCORM package is displayed right in the browser with our embedded SCORM player. The SCORM package is being created with SCORM 2004 and HTML5. Click on Next, and we can watch a short video about LMS365. Here I embedded some questions inside the SCORM package. Correct answers are marked in orange. LMS365 is developed by which company? eLearning Force. And list all you can do with LMS365. Enrolling courses, deliver SCORM training, create courses, and of course we do not provide you with the possibility of ordering a pizza. My score is 100%, 30 points. My passing score is 80%, 24 points. So I submit my results and I get a message, you passed the LMS365 training. Click on Next, and the system will bring me right to my home page. On my home page I can now see that I've finished my 2 learning modules, Overview of Office 365 and LMS365 Training Module. If I go back to my dashboard, I now can see that I've finished and completed my training for Office 365. I see the message completed, I see my training points or CEUs, and I see as well my certificate. Once I click on it, the certificate is downloaded and displayed on my screen. I can print it out, put it on my wall, or show it my superior. I hope you agree with me. So far so good. Pretty easy, right? Cool. So let's take this to a different level. Let's assume you are a manager responsible for a product. Here we are at the PM template site, and I would like to include a SCORM package which I provide to my users on this PM site. All I need to do is click on Page, click on Edit, and find a place where I would like to take this opportunity to place our SCORM web part. So right here, right there, Insert, Web part. I click on my learning modules, click on Add, and the only thing I need to do is basically select the SCORM package I would like to display. Click on Manage, Manage SCORM packages. Select the SCORM package I would like to include. And here we take the LMS365 training. Click on Save. Go back to our ITS PM template. And my learning module is now being displayed. Click on Save. And you are good to go to show all users your SCORM package. Let's look at some of the reporting capabilities in LMS365. I was in the course catalog, so let's see how courses in the course catalog are doing. Remember, we just did the Office 365 training. If I click here, I can go straight to the course. Here I can see all my learners which completed the training, 69%. I see learners which are in progress and learners which did not start yet. I see as well the course category and the CEUs. I can select or can see here if the course is showing up in the course catalog or if this is a required training. So let's look at the statistics. Here I can see the details of the course, and I can see, for example, the learner names and how they were doing inside the course. I can export these results into Excel for further analysis. Let's look at some reporting for SCORM packages. Here right now I'm in my course Office 365 Training, looking at our SCORM package we added to that course. Again, I can click here on the statistics, and the statistics will show me the details of the SCORM package: completion status, success status, points, scale, etc. Of course, again, here I can export all the results to Excel. I can do similar or same reporting as well against the Learning Module Builder. So here I have two learning modules, and I can look at the statistics and can of course export them to Excel. Same way in regards to assignment and gradebooks, I can look at the assignments given for that course and report against it. And of course, last but not least, I can as well report against the quizzes. To sum it up, I can report against the course catalog, SCORM players or SCORM packages, the learning modules, assignment and gradebooks, and quizzes. This concludes the online demonstration. I hope I did not promise too much. Back to my presentation material. We discussed the different add-ins and looked at training from a learner point of view, how easy it is to find and engage in learning activities. We had also a quick view into the reporting capabilities. If you want to know how you can create a course, create a learning plan, create a quiz, let us know your interest and we will show you in another demo, no problem. So LMS365 Cloud puts learning on an autopilot. LMS365 helps learners find the trainings they need, identifies trainings they might need, and ensures participation in the training they are required to complete. Use Office 365 tools to create courses for any user group or role. Create course catalogs with one-click enrollment and unenrollment. Deploy SCORM packages as formalized courses or mini training. Display personalized training progress on any SharePoint page. Remind learners of trainings they haven't completed and view progress reports and statistics by individual and course. It develops the workforce day by day. LMS 365 blends industry-proven learning technology into the business productivity and social functions that already connect and enable your workforce. Create and manage course materials with Office, and SharePoint offer context-sensitive mini training on any SharePoint page. Enable learners to start, resume, and complete training across devices. Communicate and schedule training using Outlook email and calendaring. LMS 365's intuitive features make it easy to respond to any training need without programming, system integration, unwanted complexity, or technology overkill. Course Creator and Catalog, Learning Paths, SCORM Player, My Learning, Assignment Manager with Gradebook, Administration and Reporting, everything included. LMS 365 works the way your business works. Deliver training in context, anytime, anywhere, and on any device within the familiar Office 365 environment. Configure and customize using existing Microsoft competencies. Eliminates having to install, integrate, and manage third-party web services, and frees you from ongoing maintenance fees and integration costs. It is up and running in minutes, not weeks or months. And here are our subscription plans we offer for commercial customers. We have an all-inclusive plan, which includes everything I showed you today, and we have as well a business plan with reduced features and of course reduced prices. Now you can safely say you made it, but I will not let you go before this last slide. Get a free, fully featured 30-day trial. Schedule some time with our experts to find out how it could work for you. Experience LMS 365 for 30 days and see what it would look like in your unique business environment. Schedule a demo today to learn about LMS 365 on premises, the LMS built on SharePoint. And follow us, Emerging Technology Services, on social media to stay up to date on news and events.